Hi everyone, what's up? Thank you so much for being here. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jessie and today is my day off, obviously. And you know what? I was about to do an experiment right over here and I was like, I want you guys to see this because I've been seeing all over the YouTube community like how to cancel out the green. Previously, I have used a color depositing shampoo and now it's fading and it looks really green. I hope you guys could see this in person, but so I inserted another clip so you guys could see how green my hair is. Even if it's wet, you can see the green all over my hair. Imagine when it's dry. It is even more green. So I just realized that in the video you can't really see the green, so I'm just posting this video from yesterday so at least you have a better view. We are going to use the ketchup because this is what I have been seeing. It's either baking soda or ketchup to cancel out the green. Now, I want to test it out and see if this works. So I've seen some people it worked and some it didn't, but I'm very curious. Sorry for the bad lighting, but in person it really looks green though. Let's do it. I already have my ketchup right here. And you know what? I'm just going to use my hand to put that in to make it very easy because I don't want to waste my time. So I'm just going to put this all over my hair. You can use your gloves if you wanted to, but I just want to directly just do it right here while the bowl is in the sink. And people say to just leave it on for like 30 minutes, 15 minutes, but there's so much green in my hair that I wanted to leave it on for an hour while I'm doing laundry, like different types of errands. This is crazy. Like I've never, like hacks, like DIY at home is like getting crazier and crazier each day. And I'm curious about the outcome of this. Like this is crazy. This is just like a store-bought ketchup. Nothing really special. It's just basic ass ketchup. Okay. Let me just put that all over. I can't believe I'm doing this. But knowing me, I'd pretty much play with my hair, you know. I'm doing this while John Ray is sleeping because I don't want him to like, you know, he's gonna judge me for sure. Like he is going to judge me, girl. This I know 100%. He will judge me. Okay, guys, my cap is on. Look at my hands. Oh no. But yeah, I'm just gonna leave it on for 35 minutes or 30 minutes or even an hour. I'm just gonna segregate my laundry, do the whole errands thing, and then I'm gonna take a shower. I'll be right back. Girl, are you seeing this? Like, can you see this right now? Can you see this? Okay, I'm not gonna get like too excited yet because this is always happens to me when I'm excited. Like, it worked though. Like, I can see the difference already. Holy shit. Okay, I'm gonna wait for this one to dry and I will be back. Oh my goodness, I can't believe. Okay, I'll be back. Girl, it freaking worked. Look, I'm gonna go to my room so you guys can really see what I'm talking about. Ooh. I'm looking for like a better view. Oh, look at that, girl. It freaking worked. I can't believe it. I can't believe this hack is so real. Oh, wow. Like, I I know I need a haircut, so stop it. I can't believe this hack worked. I'm so happy. So anywho, I just want you guys to know that it worked. So I'm surprised that it's actually ashy, like a light ash blonde. I'm so happy how it turned out, and I didn't even need to spend like a dime. So I'm really happy. I can't even explain. So I'll see you guys next time because Johnny and I are going to go to the mall. Yay! Also, if you are wondering, my eye is hurting right now because I forced the eyelash glue to come out, so I really do apologize for my eyelid, and it kind of hurts, but I'm so happy. I'm just so happy right now. Like, wow. So just to give you guys another before and after photo, as you guys can see, that was my hair yesterday when I made a video. And now we are back to a clean blonde. So thank you to whoever found this hack out. I am so happy and I'm so impressed that it actually worked. And also we need to go because John Ray is taking me to the mall. I know it is a miracle. And add me on Instagram because I do have some haul videos over there. Just like quick, straight to the point haul videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.